Hello everyone, welcome all of you to Infinite series. This video is regarding TCS NQT exam. So already 2026 batch registered for this program. So on-campus students have this exam, NQT exam. So I will tell you complete information in this video regarding the roles and also exam pattern and ION center where you have to attempt this exam, and also required documents you must and should carry, and also calculator is there any availability during exam. And the next one is, so what are the type of coding problems you will get, and also how many test cases you have to run. And next one is coding cutoff, and next one is one of the important note. So all regarding TCS NQT. So before going to this video, if anyone not subscribed to my channel, please try to subscribe and click the bell icon also, and try to join our Telegram group. I will give the link in the description. And one more thing guys, I already shared the many more videos related to TCS NQT 2025 on off campus. So if you want to know more about all these videos, just visit my channel and also go to the playlist, so where you can see the all the TCS regarding videos. So here you can see playlist of TCS 2025 NQT. You must and should visit this playlist because there is many important videos are there. Last 5 days preparation video, cheat tricks, and what are the cheat tricks to clear, you must and should watch this video. And also how to download the admit cards, required documents, all those things are previous shift. I mean the TCS NQT exam is conducted in phases, so that's why I posted phase 2, phase 1, and what are the shifts related questions. So visit this all these things. I will give the link in the description, and also, or you can also visit my playlist. So the exam will be conducted mid of November, so between these days 11 and 20. So I will tell you the complete exam pattern. So these are the roles: ninja role, digital role, prime role. So ninja role is 3.25 LPA, digital is 7 LPA, prime is 9.5 LPA. So here you can see the exam pattern. There are having two sections, part A and part B. Part A is foundation section. In this foundation section you will get the numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability. Here the duration of the each section. And also next one is part B. Here advanced section, advanced quantitative reasoning ability. So advanced quantitative reasoning ability means you will get the advanced type of questions, like they want to give the options, you have to fill the blanks. So they will give the question, but they want to give the options A, B, C, D. So that is called a advanced section. So some of the questions like that only. Here you can see advanced coding section is there. So in case of advanced coding section, there is 90 minutes duration. You will get the two questions in advanced coding. One is easy question, another one is medium question. So easy question is duration 30 minutes, and next one is medium level question is 60 minutes. So there are having two public test cases and private test cases for every question. So private test cases are very important as compared to public test cases. Even if you did not pass the public test cases, there is no issue. You must and should have to pass the all private test cases or some of the private test cases to get the ninja role. For digital role, you must and should solve the easy level question. So all test cases you have to complete. I mean private test cases. For prime role, you have to solve the medium level question. So if you solved the easy question already, you have to solve the at least 3 to 5 private test cases from the medium level question to get the prime role. So this is actual coding cutoff. And one of the important note is 90% of the students from the 2025 batch students rejected by the TCS. Don't only focus on TCS, because TCS is giving layoffs to many of the students. So please apply for all opportunities. And here you can see in exam you will get the calculator for fast calculations. So some of the aptitude and also reasoning questions you might confuse for I mean long calculations. So in such cases you have to use the calculator. Here you can see calculator symbol in the your window. So once you click the calculator symbol, you will get the calculator like this. So this is actually the calculator look likes. And the next one is required documents. So once you visit it to ION center, Here you can see the exam will be conducted either college centers or ION centers. If you guys are going to ION center, you must and should carry all these required documents. Here you can see you have to download your admit card. The admit card will be released before 5 days of your exam date, and also Aadhaar card and PAN card. So these two are originals and it is copy. So admit card, how to download the admit card, I already did the video in previous playlist. Please visit that playlist, then you will get the idea. So this is about to complete information of TCS 2026 batch NQT. So if you have any doubts regarding this, please comment in comment box, and I will post the more videos, practice videos related to TCS NQT. Please visit my playlist. I will give the playlist in the description. Here you can see all the type of coding questions, and also all question patterns and also aptitude questions are there. Please go and visit this playlist, then you will definitely get the some idea. So that's about this video. Thanks for watching. Try to subscribe my channel. Thank you.